Rivers overflowed, and fertile farmlands were wiped out, threatening food supplies in the already impoverished region. While Honduras bore the brunt of Fifi's wrath, other Central American countries like Guatemala, Nicaragua, and Belize also suffered severe flooding and damage. In the aftermath of Hurricane Fifi, the scale of devastation became even more apparent. Entire communities were wiped out, and the death toll soared, with estimates suggesting that up to 8,000 people lost their lives. Thousands more were missing or injured, and the number of displaced families was staggering.